ولا تحسبن الله غافلا عما يعمل الظالمون إنما يؤخرهم ليوم تشخص فيه الأبصار.
Saleh al Jaafarawi was a Palestinian who became the voice of his people and touched hearts around the world. He was a citizen journalist, social media influencer, and a bearer of Gaza's truth, especially during the darkest days in Gaza's history. He was martyred on October 12, 2025, at just 27 years old. Saleh was born in 1997 in Gaza City. He studied media and journalism at the Islamic University of Gaza. Around 2018, he began his journey as an independent journalist and content creator to show the world the conditions in which the people of Gaza live, especially during major events like the Great March of Return. During the Gaza War from 2023 to 2025, Saleh's voice became a movement. His videos were watched by millions on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. He reported directly from the front lines, conveying the pain, resilience, and patience of ordinary citizens to the world. He quickly became a symbol of truth, but this fame also brought danger to him. Some Israeli media outlets accused him of being a spokesman for Hamas, an accusation Saleh always denied. He often said he lived in fear, but would not stop telling his people's truth. Even after being injured by an Israeli drone strike in early 2024, he continued his reporting. The morning of October 12, 2025, proved to be his last. A few days after the announcement of a ceasefire, he was reporting in the Sabra area of Gaza. According to Palestinian sources, he was martyred during clashes between Hamas security forces and an armed group. When his body was found, he was wearing a press jacket, a clear testament to his mission. Saleh al Jaafarawi is one of dozens of journalists who gave their lives for the crime of speaking truth. Gaza has become one of those places where simply holding a camera is like inviting death. Saleh's martyrdom reminds us how precious and perilous speaking truth can be. Even today, his voice echoes in Gaza's cries, prayers, and hopes. A voice that will never be silenced.